Hello, my favorite penny fans. This is paid members only. So we are going to go into more detail about this whole shebang bang and specifically the packing section. I just found out when I was coming to this store just to get popcorn, I was looking to make sure NCI gift didn't flip, and I noticed my big old roll of bubble wrap was half off, but not my NCI gift, not my coloring books, not my fitness. I've got to check Dollar Toys while I'm here. And I feel like there was one other one. Anyways, oh, and I'm going to double check Bake with Love and Fancy Party. So, I'm going to show you what goes. The only reason I know what goes is because it's the same items. When this section pennies at a remodel, it's the same items pennying in these resets. So again, I think they're just trying to get stuff phased out of stores. Even the ones that don't actually have to go through a remodel. Okay, we're going to work from top to bottom. First is going to be your big, fatty, Magnum, no joke, Sharpie marker. Then you got your chisel Sharpie marker. I'll have to take a picture. I've got them at home. You've got your bubble pouches, individuals, in packages. There are 2 different packs of the white poly mailers. You've got your brown Duck Brand tape. You've got 2 sizes of boxes, and you've got your big bubble wrap. The manager's coming. Really easy to search your app. Type in Sharpie. There's 2 of them. Type in duck. There you go. Duck, like quack quack. Get them added to your list ASAP. Oh my gosh, perfect example of after inventory. So this was just laying in a pile of leftovers. They don't even know where it goes. There's your chisel marker. Good afternoon, my most favorite penny mates. So this is going out, paid members only. All right, we're gonna get into the debacle more because I just had an epiphany. See, it'll eventually get there. I'll make it make sense somehow. All right, let's back the truck up, okay? What did I talk about? Or what was all over the news? What's been all over the news for the last couple years? And I have videos, right, dedicated to that about DG and the prices are wrong on the, you know what I'm saying, on the shelves. I literally just thought of this, so I hadn't even thought about how to explain it. So this is just me, stay with the brain. Okay, Dollar General, prices are wrong. They're getting the crap suit out of them because of this. There's like a major, like whatever they call those things. Okay. When they do resets, that's when all of those get updated. Okay. So in addition to they've been marked as price gouging. Speaking of working at Dollar General, I know my store, our store, was always behind, not always, but the POG resets. POG, planogram, right? Okay, I know you don't need to know all the terminology, but for a lot of us out there, it helps in understanding, right? Just like I've explained about looking on end caps and side wings. There's a reason. The magic table, right? Because pennies get lost in these certain areas throughout the store. And in order to explain what these certain areas are, I know the names of them, right? End caps, side wings, magic tables. If you don't know what those are, then you should probably watch more videos. Okay. POG resets, a lot of stores are behind. That means the pricing is behind. Plus, they were, I assume they probably still are, getting the crap suit out of them because of the stores being overloaded. Remember, we talked about OSHA. OSHA used to not cover like Dollar General or something. There was a whole news thing. I need to find that video, right? And link that below. And so they were losing. They're losing tons of money because their stores are overloaded. The pricing isn't correct. Enter sudden mass POG resets. those POGs are supposed to be reset by a certain time. Our resets, we were behind. So I didn't know about penny shopping then. So I don't know. Did they penny when we didn't have that POG reset on time? Not all of them, because that's what goes into clearance. Redoing the planogram means you're changing the items or the products. Some are moving out. They wouldn't just move it around to change the layout. You know, DG, they'd be like putting in a whole different section or bringing in some pop shelf or who knows, you know? So those items go to clearance. But now all of a sudden, we have the NCI gift section alone. The whole section is pennying. Stay with me, I swear. Maybe I'll speed this up just a little bit. Let me know. Okay. If they have to do this reset and get it out of the way in all these stores, and who knows how many stores we're talking about, then it would make sense, you know what, if we also need to get rid of this is, you know, a random 10 items, why not just throw them in with the reset and get them out of there? It all goes back to they're trying to get stuff out of the stores. The stores are out of control. We've known that for quite some time. So they're doing different things, just like they used to never do BOGO sales all the freaking time. Clearance sales, they're happening a lot more than normal. They're trying to empty the stores. Paid members, we talked about this months back. I feel like this started back at the beginning of the year maybe. So it does actually all mix in together. But I think clearly this is happening. You have to understand this is happening all across the country. So I don't think there's going to be any rhyme or reason to that. Maybe there is, but all we can do as a group is, yes, in the text group, obviously, we continue to share when we have stores do this or that, the other. And I think our pricing issue where the stuff was flipping, the NCI flipped to this, that, the other, whatever, you have to also understand more of the NCI clearance stuff, or just popped up. More of the NCI stuff flipped to clearance price, along with ones flipping to a 50% off price, along with ones flipping to a penny. Going back to also the app is jacked. It's right now, it is down, it's like overloaded. There's a lot of pricing changes. In addition, obviously a lot of people, a lot of stores are having inventory all across the country. That's a lot to be going into that and for it to keep up. So remember, only pay attention to your 50% off. What I've done literally went through what I will travel to for this, because this is not I would not travel far, okay? Unless there's like remodels around it or something. I have made my whatever, this is how far I'll go. I've looked at each of those stores and I've screenshot each of those stores. So I know, okay, this is exactly where it stands right now. So then now I'm just following the 50% off. But you have to have a starting point to know, to be able to look quickly at that list. And that's what it is. So I have, 5 NCI items right up top. One of them is going to be the dollar cross because the 50 cents stands out to me more than anything. Okay, I'm going to screenshot that as I'm looking at this store. And then I'm also going to screenshot their packing section. I'm going to screenshot their dollar toy, just where there's enough that I have a screen for each one. And then I do this with the 10 stores that I'm willing to go to for this. But you have to have a starting point. And I think we've got most of it at this point, but I don't know how much this is going to change. So kind of get your radius of what would I travel for just to get the NCI gift section, possibly some other random things. And from there, get your screenshots done. So then you can follow these stores and you don't end up driving to one that, no, actually, that section's not even there anymore. It was actually a 0 in your list the whole time, and it all was. Okay? See what I'm saying? Keep track of your stores. As always, if you have any questions, please let me know. And good luck out there. I would definitely be checking in the morning. Clearly mine flipped on Monday. But yes, we had others flip. Monday, Tuesday, Thursday. I don't think we had any flip Friday. Saturday. Today was just remodels. Okay. Let me know if that's different, because the more we communicate, then the more we can all help each other to make sense of the forever Dollar General conundrum. All right. Hope everybody had a great weekend. Talk to you later. Love you. Bye.
I've been making moves like a ninja. I could play it cool like I'm winter. I can make it rain like a cash tsunami. You wanna slip and slide, we can link up.